Just filled up this RX-7, that FC, and you gotta pre-mix it. How do you guys pre-mix at the pump? I figure this is good enough. Just drive like a dickhead.
Oh shit, I gotta fill up. I gotta put two-stroke in. Look like motherfuckers is out. Shit. They about to see me stroke my tank, son. I got that two-stroke right here though. It's on deck, but I want people to see me though. Oh shit. Well, maybe I can act like it's lean. Hell yeah, I got a thing full of lean. Shit, nah, I don't wanna portray that. I don't wanna pass that off like I got lean. Yeah, what's up? Oh no, he saw me with this. Hold up, maybe let me hide it. Yeah, hiding it is well, it's behind my back and there's dope fiends right there. The dope fiends gonna see that. Let me just get rid of it. Fuck that. Damn. Hey, what's up? Yeah, you saw that? Yeah, nah, act normal. Act normal. I can't explain what it is or what it's about to be doing. It's about to be stroking my tank. 7 gallons. I got 7.5 gallons. I got 8 ounces here. Hell yeah. I'm gonna do the math, and you know, this seems like it's gonna work. Anybody gonna see me stroke my tank? Let me stroke this tank real quick. Oh, I need a little bit more stroke in this tank, baby. More stroke in the tank. Yeah, man. Yeah, I think that'll do. Yeah. Hey, nothing to see here. Nothing to see here. Shit. Now I gotta mix it. I mean, it's just all this two-stroke sitting on top of the fuel.
Dude, I'm just pre-mixing. I'm mixing my pre-mix, officer. That's all. Nothing to go see here. Just pre-mixing my fuel, dude. Woo!
Yeah. Well, I don't want people seeing me. They know what I'm doing. I'm sure they know what I'm doing. He know what I'm doing. I don't want people to see me getting my mix on fucking couple. Yeah, I'll mix it up. And, oh shit, I'm tripping, man. I gotta mix this. How can I make it acceptable? Oh, I know how to make it acceptable to get my mix on, baby. Yeah, this is gonna be great. This is gonna work. It's gonna work. Yeah, you know it. You hear? You see me? What's happening, player? Yeah, maybe I can sell it. I can sell it real hard. Yep. If I make it look like I really am trying to do this, but I'm trying to mix that stroke, baby. Mixing that stroke. Yeah, I'm selling it. They believe me. They believe I'm really swag surfing. Yeah, what's up, player? Yeah, nah, let's mix this shit up, player. That's how you mix it up. Socially acceptable